We've been exploring movement ideas of connection, relationships, like kind of humanness, bodies and beings. It's just been such a lovely reminder of how gentle and like kind a rehearsal space can be, like how it can be so positive and celebratory and just full of love. A lot of that, the kind of very small, like gestural stuff, I really love. I love kind of flying and being moved at kind of all the holding and carrying. I feel like it could be very moving, touching. I'm excited to see what it